guys, welcome back to my channel. I just had my hair cut. Ta-da! So today I will be doing some unboxing and we have two products here. So I'm just gonna acha-acha unboxing. Let's unbox the first product. So this is the Trial Tone Up Essence by LoveLiee Beauty. Look at this. So this is just 10 ml. I just want to give it a try. Key ingredients in here, we have green tea, aloe vera, niacinamide, citrus extract, bearberry extract, licorice root extract. So one of my girlfriend has been selling this. She's one of the agents, so I thought like to support her. This is product number 1. Product number 2. So I purchased something from Perfect Diary. I saw a lot of rave about this product, especially on Facebook. They even gave me a card of Perfect Diary. Let's see. So nice, so pretty. Thank you for purchasing Perfect Diary. We hope you enjoy this perfect unboxing moment. Please contact us if you have any questions and we look forward to assisting you again. Follow us on Instagram, Perfect Diary Official. Be first to hear about our latest launches, exciting offers, and giveaways from Perfect Diary. Thank you, Perfect Diary. So I bought myself, because they were having some promos on Shopee, so I got myself 3 different lipstick. I love the packaging. It's very sleek. So before we do the swatches, I'm gonna prep my skin. That's where the Tone Up Essence comes in. This is what I have in hand. This is not sponsored, by the way. I paid for this. I'm just giving a review. So okay, back to my face. I've already washed my face. I already prepped my face. So alright, just try a bit. I quite like the smell. I'm just gonna put it on one side. I needed to clean my hair. So they say it works as a primer. You see most Koreans have that glow. Can you guys see the difference? I see a bit of difference. You guys can see this side and you guys can see this side. It has that like a fresh kind of feel to it, but we'll see how long it lasts throughout the day. Okay, so this is it on my face, on my bare face. I mean, it does look more fresh on your skin. It does have that a little bit of like a white cast, I would say, something like a sunscreen. Okay, I'm gonna do my foundation now. Okay, done my simple eyeliner. So this is how it looks like. You got 940 here. So this is the swatch. Quite like this color. It's not too strong. It's just nice. In color, we have this 938. I think this is somewhat similar to what my lipstick is, the one that I always wear. Okay, so this is kind of like a red dark color. Swatch. This is nice too. So far I quite like all the 4 colors. Okay guys, so that's it for today's product review. I'm not an influencer, I'm just giving it a try. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. So to the next video. See you guys, bye!